Hello and welcome to ReaderZone. This video will show you how to download the ReaderZone app, create a ReaderZone account, join a reading program, and manage your account within the ReaderZone mobile app. You can download the ReaderZone app on Google Play, the App Store, or from Amazon. To find the app, either click on one of these buttons at ReaderZone.com or just search for ReaderZone at your App Store or Google Play. You'll know you're at the right place when you see this logo as a part of the ReaderZone app. After downloading the ReaderZone app and opening it for the first time, you will see this screen. If you already have a ReaderZone account, simply log in right here. If you do not have a ReaderZone account, click the Sign Up button here. On this screen, you enter a first name, last name, email address, confirm that email, and then enter a password. The only requirement with the password is that it be at least 8 characters. Once I have all my data in here the way I would like it, I click Submit. And now I have a decision to make, and that is, will I have a one-reader ReaderZone account or a multiple readers ReaderZone account? The one-reader account is meant for a person who will log their own reading, or there will only be one person logging reading into this ReaderZone account. The multiple reader account type means that you can have more than one reader in this ReaderZone account, and each reader can participate in a different reading program. I will select multiple readers and click Next. My first prompt here is to add my first reader, so I will click Add Reader and put in a first and last name. Once I have my name in, I'll click Next. And now I will enter the reading program code. Each reading program has a unique 5-character code that will be provided to you from the school or library that is hosting the reading program. If you do not know your reading program code, go back to the hosting organization and find the code. The code I enter now is for demonstration purposes only and will not be the reading program code for your particular reading program. After I enter that reading program code, I will see the reading groups or activities that are available for me to join. You can join one or more reading groups or activities on this screen, and you'll see the name of your school or library up here at the top to make sure you are at the right place. I will check the first grade readers group and click Next. In this step, I will answer any questions that are a part of this reading group or activity. You may not see any questions here or different questions than are on this screen. Once you see these questions, just quickly go through and answer them. With the questions answered, I will click Next. When I see this screen, I am ready to begin logging reading, so I will click Go. You'll see Franklin Reader is the first reader in this account. If I want to add an additional reader, I click Add Reader and repeat the same process. Now let's make a reading entry. I'll click View Reader. You will see several prompts here that show you how to use the ReaderZone app. This is where you see awards. If you are in a minutes-based program, you will see a timer right here. I can see the name of the reading group I am participating with right here. And now I am ready to make a reading entry. For a group or activity that is logging minutes, I can use the timer right here. While that timer ticks along, let's look at other parts of the ReaderZone app. Down here is the book bank. Within the book bank, I can keep track of the books I am reading or the books I have finished. When you click this book bank button for the first time, you may see books that you did not add. That is because the sponsoring organization can add books as a part of your book bank, and it's easy for me to add a new book to my book bank. I click Add Book right here. I can add a book by searching for it with these search options. I can also scan a barcode on the back of a book. If I happen to have a book that does not have a barcode or an ISBN or EAN number, I can click Add Custom Book here. The easiest way to handle this is click Scan Barcode. If I click Scan Barcode, my phone will open its camera and I can scan the barcode on the back of a book. If I would like to add this book, which is called Sleep Like a Tiger, I find the barcode on the back of the book and sit it within the scanner. Once that barcode is scanned, you'll see the book jacket come up and I click Confirm. And that book is now added to my book bank. Once I finish this book, I click Finish Book here. I can rate the book by entering 1 to 5 stars for it, and I can also write a review for the book here. Once I'm done with that, I click Save, and now that book is here. I can also remove books from my app at any point by sliding to the left like this. The button over here is my Awards button. Within the Awards button, I can see all the awards that I have either unlocked or the ones that I have not yet unlocked. To see an expanded view of an award, just click on the award like this and you'll see what it looks like. Let's go back to our reading entry screen. and you'll see it has ticked up to 4 minutes and 20 seconds. If I click pause, next, and then confirm, that reading entry is now accomplished and I have unlocked my first award. If I don't want to use the timer, just click manual entry here, and you'll see a keypad that looks like this. This keypad will appear for all groups or activities that are logging something other than minutes. Let's say, for example, I want to enter 15 minutes read. I click 15 here, next, and then confirm that entry, and click OK. If I have missed a few days of making reading entries, I click past reading here, and you'll see this screen where you select the date you want to add missing minutes and enter your reading here. To enter past reading, I scroll to the date to which I would like to make a reading entry. Let's say March 13th. I would like to enter 20 minutes read. I click 20 and then confirm that entry down here on the bottom. And now that reading entry is finished. I can make more past reading entries or click done down here at the bottom. I can view my progress at any time by clicking view progress right here. And by doing this, I can see all the progress I have made in my ReaderZone account, including books I have finished, awards I have unlocked, and reading entries I have made. Accounts can be edited at any time by clicking on the menu here on the top left of the app. I can edit the reading groups or activities I am participating with, or I can edit my account right here by clicking Edit Reader. If I click my reading groups, I can see the reading groups that I am participating with, and I can join additional groups here, or leave reading groups or activities by sliding this to the left. If I click Edit Reader, I can edit any of the information about my account here. The way the ReaderZone app is set up is such that you are always logged into it until you actively log out of your account. To log out of your account, click the icon up here in the top right, and you will arrive at the main screen. Click on the menu icon, and the logout button is down here in the bottom center of the screen. We invite you to explore and work with the ReaderZone app, and you can always reach out to us directly with questions at help@reader.zone. Thank you and happy reading.